Ngayon, diagonal of a rectangle. So, hinahanap natin yung diagonal ng rectangle. Pero ang gagamitin natin ay partial derivative. So, meaning, y yung constant, x yung lumalaki, x yung nag-i-increase. Yun na yun. Lumalaki yung rectangle, hinahanap yung diagonal. Yung x yung nag-i-expand o yung nag-i-increase, while y remains constant. So, ginagamit natin yung partial derivative. So, makikita nyo, yung sign ng partial derivative, makikita natin dito. Given na yon yung diagonal, kung yung x ay 5 cm at yung y is 2 cm. So, yun yung derivative, yung nasa taas. So, yung square root, binaba mo 1/2, then raised to negative 1/2. So, yun lang pa.